We're here in the McNeil Hall, new grand opening for this week. We just held our first classes yesterday and our second batch of first classes today.
Primarily it's courses in engineering, design, and society. It's just a great space to collaborate. We have tons of room to work. We started working in a much smaller classroom, and you can see students get to spread out here.
Now, what's really exciting, as you can probably see around the room, is we have a lot of great technology here. The students one day, if I remember to remind them, will bring their own connectors and we'll be able to display some of the things that they're actually discussing right now in groups to the rest of the class.
We have lots of monitors and you can write on the walls, and just what a really fun, cool, state-of-the-art place to work.
It's a really exciting building. It's gorgeous, beautiful views of the foothills in downtown Golden, so we're really excited to be here.